Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Milko Gaskill Sports Basketball. Game between Montalban Youth Ballers versus King Hoopers. Moika. Easy 2 points by Moika. Two points by Philip Punsalan. Number 10. Go. Pass 2. Still by De Leon. Out of bound. Luna. Luna. Out of bound.
Seconds.
14 to shoot. Moika. Pass 2. Viñas. Foul. Foul on Jetro de Guzman. Moika. Pass to Beñas. Foul. Counted. Bolo shot for Viñas. Bolo shot for Paul Viñas. No good. Rebound by De Guzman. Pass to De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Go. No good. Rebound by Moika. Pass to Luna. Luna. No good. Rebound by De Leon. De Leon. Luna. Pull up three. No good. Foul. Basket count for Jared Moika. Bonus shot for Jared Moika. No good. Out of bound. Montalban Youth Ballers ball. De Leon. De Leon. De Leon. Still by Gaboso. Pull up two. No good. Rebound by Moika. Out of bound. MYB ball. De Leon. De Leon. Easy 2 points by De Guzman. Moica. Pass to Viñas. Still by. Punsalan. Pass to Ramos at may foul. Foul number 1, Jared Moica. First throw by Ramos. No good. Second throw by Ramos. No good. Free throw violation. Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Moica. Pass to Luna. For 3. No good. Rebound by Go. Pass to De Leon. De Leon nagmamadali. Easy 2 points by De Leon. Moica. Pass to Viñas. Not counted. Traveling. Violation. Go. Inbound the ball. Pass to De Leon. Pass to Punsalan. Foul on number 14, Tomas. Steal by Moica. Moica. Dire-diretso. Moica ulit. Umangat. At may foul. Foul on Punsalan. First throw by Jared Moica. No good. Second throw for Jared Moica. No good. Free throw violation. De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Go. Pass to Punsalan. Still by Moica. Pass to Luna. Kaso malakas. Out of bound. Go. Pass to De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Punsalan. Still by Tomas. Dire-diretso. Easy 2 points by Tomas. Punsalan. Pass to De Leon. Pass to Go. Go. Sablay. Rebound. Line violation. Moica. Pass to Luna. Back to Moica. Pass to Gamoso for 3. No good. De Leon. Pass to Punsalan. Back to De Leon. Side step. 2 points yan para kay De Leon. Moica. Still by Punsalan. Pass to De Leon. Still by Moica. Moica. Pass to Tomas. Out of bound. Timeout. King Hooper. Remaining time 3 minutes and 33 seconds para sa ating first quarter. Back to the ball game. Out of bound. Damoso, inbound the ball. Pass to Tomas. Pass to Moika. Sa ilalim. At may foul. Foul on Angelo Baayo. First throw for Jared Moiga. Basket. Second throw for Jared Moiga. No good. Rebound by Jared Moiga. Layup, no good. Rebound by Binyas. Pass to Baay. 2 points by Baay. Moiga. Out of bound. Punsalan. Pass to De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Punsalan. Out of bounds. Same ball. Foul. Penalty. Foul on Flores. First throw for Moiga. No good. Second throw for Moiga. No good. Rebound by Moiga again. Pass to Binyas. Out of bound. Thomas, pull up 2. No good. Foul. Two shots for Earl Fakins. First throw, no good. Second throw. Basket. Punsalan, pass to Moral. Pass to Bay. Flores, no good. Rebound by Tomas. Pass to Luna. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Flores. Pass to Punsalan. Punsalan. Nagmadali. No good. Rebound by Tomas. Tomas. Pass to Binyas. Sa ilalim. 2 points yan para kay Binyas. Moral. Pass to Diaz. Offensive foul by Punsalan. Tomas. Nabitawan ng bola. Out of bound. Moral, inbound the ball. Pass to Diaz. Pass to Punsalan. Derecho. May foul. Counted. Foul on Paul Viña. Bonus shot for Punsalan. Remaining time, 50 seconds. No good. Rebound by Punsalan again. Pull up, 2 points by Punsalan. 40 seconds. Still by Baay. Pass to Punsalan. Balik kay Baay. Lay up. 2 points yan para kay Baay. Tomas. Pass to Pakit. Pass to Moika. Easy 2 points by Moika. 10 seconds. Moral. Pass to Punsalan. No good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our first quarter. Official score 18-14 in favor of Montalban Youth Bowlers. Back to the ball game. De Leon, pass to Punsalan. Fake. Pass for 3. No good. Rebound by Gutierrez. Pass to Moika. Binalik kay Gutierrez. Pass to Pakin. Derecho. Butataka. Out of bound. Diaz. Pass to De Leon. No good. Rebound by Moika. Pass to Gutierrez. Still by Diaz. May foul. Foul number 18, Gian Ani. De Leon. Pass to Diaz. Pass to Punsalan. Balik kay Diaz. De Leon. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound by Moika. Pass to Pakin. Balik kay Moika. Out of bound. Same ball. Gutierrez. Pass to Pakin. Balik kay Gutierrez. Naagaw ni Baay. Baay, derecho. Easy 2 points yan para kay Baay. Gutierrez, inbound the ball. Pass to Moika. Still by Punsalan, kaso malakas. Gutierrez. Pass to Pakin. Diretso. 2 points yan para kay Pakin. Dia. Pass to De Leon. Pass to Flores. No good. Rebound by Baay. Foul. First throw para kay Baay. Basket. Second throw para kay Baay. Basket again. De Leon. Easy 2 point. Timeout. King Hooper. Official score 24-16 in favor of Montalban Youth Baller. Back to the ball game. Ani. Still by Go. No good. Rebound by De Leon. Shot. 2 points yan para kay De Leon. Gutierrez. Pass to Luna. For 3. No good. De Leon. De Leon. Setting the play. Pass to Baay. Balik kay De Leon. Sa 3. No good. Rebound by Biñas. Steal by Flores. Tomas. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Same ball. Tomas, pass to Gutierrez sa 3. No good. Luna. Pass to Biñas. Sa ilalim. Foul. Last throw for Biñas. No good. Rebound by Hernandez. Pass to De Leon. De Leon. Dire-diretso. De Leon. Pass to Baay. No good. Rebound by Tomas. Nakuha ni Biñas. Naagaw ni De Leon. Foul. Foul, Tomas. First row for De Leon. Basket. Second row. Basket again. Tomas. Pass to Viña. Pass to Gutierrez. Long two. No good. Rebound by Ponsalan. Nice steal ni Tomas. Kaso na out of bound. Go. Pass to De Leon. Pass to Ponsalan. Sa tres. No good. Rebound by Tomas. Pass to Gutierrez. For three. No good. Rebound by Moica. No good. May foul. Foul on number 19, Migo Pahati. Two shots for Viña. First throw for Viña. No good. Second throw for Viña. No good. Rebound by Moica. Foul. Foul on number 25, Jetro De Guzman. First shot for Jared Moica. No good. Second throw for Jared Moica. No good. Rebound by De Guzman. Pass to Punsalan. Punsalan. Rebound by Moica. Foul. Foul on number 14, Dwayne Hernandez. Penalty. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 4 seconds. First throw basket for Jared Moica. Second throw. No good. Rebound by De Guzman. Pass to Pahati. Out of bounds. Punsalan, 4-3. No good. Jump ball. Five seconds violation. Forty to shoot. 2 points para kay Punsalan. Luna, pass to Tomas. Eight seconds violation. Punsalan, dire-derecho. No good. Rebound by Tomas. Tomas. Pass to Viñas. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Luna, inbound the ball. Pass to Tomas. Foul. Counted. Foul on numbers 17, Ramos. Bonus shot for Tomas. No good. Rebound by Paul Viñas. Penalty. Two shots for Pahati. Check and throw. Basket again. Official score 32-19 in favor of Montalban Youth Baller. Tomas. Pass to Viñas. Bigay kay Moica. No good. Moica ulit. No good. Rebound ni Viñas. 2 points yan para kay Viñas. Ramos. Dire-derecho. Pass to De Leon. Bigay kay Punsalan. May foul. No good. Second throw ni Punsalan. No good. Moica, pass to Tomas. Pass to Luna. Fake. Still by Ramos. Pass to Punsalan. Nabitawan ang bola. Out of bounds. Tomas, pass to Viñas. Still by Punsalan. Pass to Ramos. Block. Moica. Pass to Gamoso, pull up. No good. 40 seconds. 2 points yan para kay Ramos. 30 seconds. Oops. Out of bounds. Timeout. Montalban Youth Baller. Time remaining 21 seconds. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 21 seconds. De Leon. Pass to Ramos. Back to De Leon. Binili kay Ramos. 15 seconds. De Leon. Pull up 2. No good. Rebound by Tomas. Pass to Luna. 5 seconds. Punsalan. No good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our first half. Final score 34 to 21 in favor of Montalban Youth Ballers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the start of our third quarter between Montalban Youth Ballers and King Hoopers. Punsalan. Pass to De Leon. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Punsalan. Back to De Leon. 15 to shoot. Line violation. Moika. Pass to Tomas. Tomas. Steal by Punsalan. Dire-diretso. No good. Rebound by Baay. Steal by Moika. Pass to Punsalan. Ay. Luna. Out of bound. De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Punsalan. Back to De Leon. Pass to Baay. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Moika. Pass to Biñas. Pass to Gamoso. Binigay kay Luna. Binalik kay Tomas. For 3. No good. Rebound by Punsalan. Pastor Ramos, binigay kay De Leon. Easy 2 points yan para kay De Leon. Moika. Nabitawan ng bola. Out of bounds. Punsalan. Pass to De Leon. Binigay kay Punsalan. Back to De Leon. Pass to Ramos. Floater. No good. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Tomas. Pass to Gamoso. Balik. Kay Tomas. Tomas. 3 points yan dito para kay Luna. De Leon. Pass to Punsalan. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Viñas. Pass to Tomas. Steal by De Leon. Nagalangan. By. Pass to Flores. Basket count. Bonus shot for Flores. No good. Rebound by Pakin. Out of bounds. Punsalan. No good. Rebound by Pakin. Foul. Cedric Bautista. Gamoso. Pass to Viñas. Sumagasa. No good. Rebound by Pakin. Umangat. Out of bounds. Same ball. Tomas. Pass to Viñas. Luna. Pass to Tomas. Binalik kay Luna, naagaw ni Punsalan. Punsalan. Basket. Two points for Punsalan. To number 2. Gutierrez. Foul. Foul on number 30, Cedric Bautista. Tomas. Pass to Viñas, naagaw ni Punsalan. Easy 2 points yan para kay Punsalan. Out of bounds, same ball. Moika. Dribbling violation. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 33 seconds for our third quarter. Punsalan. Parson 3. 3 points yan para kay Punsalan. Foul. Basket. Basket niya para kay Jared Moica. Bonus shot for Jared Moica. Basket. Punsalan. Parson 3. 3 points na naman yan para kay Punsalan. Moica. Moica. Bumangga. Umangat. Basket counts yan para kay Moica. Bonus shot para kay Moica. Basket. De Guzman pass to Punsalan. Punsalan. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by Viñas. Pass to Moica. Pass to Gutierrez. Parson 3. Yes sir. 3 points yan para kay Gutierrez. Timeout. Montalban Youth Baller. Official scores 48-32 in favor of Montalban Youth Baller. Back to the ball game. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 11 seconds. De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Molo. Out of bounds. Pass to De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Baay. Back to De Leon. Dribbling violation. Gutierrez inbound the ball. Pass to Moica. Foul. Foul number 28, Baay. Penalty. First throw for Jared Moica. First shot, basket. Second throw for Jared Moica. Basket again. De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Bautista. Pass to De Guzman. No good. Foul. Foul on Paul Viñas. Sport personal foul. First shot. Basket. Bye. Second throw for bye. No good. Rebound by Piñas. Pass to Moica. Pass to Piñas. Still by De Leon. De Leon. No good. Rebound by Bay. Easy 2 point shot para kay Bay. 3 minutes exactly. Gutierrez. Pass to Moica. Still by. Bay. Bay. Dire-diretso. At may foul. Foul on number 2, Gutierrez. First shot for Bay. First shot. No good. Second throw for Bay. Basket. Timeout, King Hooper. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 43 seconds for our third quarter. Tomas. Foul. Foul on number 9, De Los Reyes. First throw for Tomas, no good. Second throw for Tomas. Basket for Tomas. De Guzman, inbound the ball, pass to De Leon. De Leon. Pass to Baay. Traveling violation. Tomas. Pass to Moica. Pass to Gutierrez. Pass to Pakin. 2 points yan para kay Pakin. De Leon. Pass to Bernaldales. To De Guzman. No good. Rebound by Tomas. Pass to Luna. Still by De Leon. Out of bounds. To shoot. Rebound by Hernandez. Pass to Punsalan. Binigay kay De Leon. Lazy up. 2 points yan para kay De Leon. Moica. Pass to Luna. Floater. No good. Rebound by Moica. Umangat. 2 points yan para kay Moika. Remaining time, 1 minute exactly. Punsalan for 3. No good. Rebound ni De Leon. De Leon. Still by Luna. Pass to Moika. Foul on number 27. Philip Punsalan. 2 free throws for Jared Moika. First throw. Basket. Second throw for Jared Moika. Basket. Baay. Pass to Punsalan. Pass to De Leon. Traveling violation. Ani. Pass to Moika. Binigay kay Tomas. Out of bound. Punsalan. Floater. Basket. 20 seconds remaining. Punsalan. Pass to De Leon. 10 seconds remaining. Ani. Pass to Tomas. Still by Punsalan. Four seconds remaining. Ani. Pass to Luna. Still by De Leon. This is the end of the third quarter. We shall score 56-41 in favor of Montalban Youth Ballers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the fourth and final quarter between Montalban Youth Ballers versus King Hoopers. Go, pass to De Leon. De Leon, pass to go. Traveling, violation. Ani. Pass to Tomas. Back to Ani. Still by De Leon. Easy 2 points by De Leon. Pass to De Leon. Pass on 3. 3 points yan para kay De Leon. Ani. Still by De Leon. Still by Ponsalan. Easy 2 points by Ponsalan. Tomas. Pass to Viñas. Sumagasa. No good. Rebound by Ani. Pass to Tomas. Three seconds violation. Go. Pass to Punsalan. Binalik kay Ramos. Pass to go. 4-3. Go. 3 points. Tomas. Pass to Moica. Balik kay Tomas. Still by Flores. Pass to De Leon. Still by Moica. Tomas for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Punsalan. Punsalan. Pass to Ramos. Pass to Jurgo. Balik kay Punsalan. Pass to Flores. No good. Rebound by Moica. At may foul. Peñoso. Out of bounds. De Leon. Pass to Ramos for 3. No good. Rebound by Moica. Moica. Pass to Luna. Binalik kay Moica. Sumagasa. Foul. Counted. Bolo shot for Moica. Bolo shot for Moica. No good. Rebound by Punsalan. Pass to Juro. Go. No good. Rebound by Moica. Still by Juro. Go. Out of bounds. Gutierrez for 3. No good. Rebound by Punsalan. Punsalan. Pass to Go. 2 points yan para kay Go. Foul. Foul on number 10. Juro. Go. Luna. Pass to Moica. Foul. Foul on number 10. Juro. Go. Moica. Pass to Luna for 3. Short. Out of bounds. Diaz. Pass to Punsalan. Tumagasa. No good. Moika. Pass to Luna. Balik kay Moika. Tumalaksak. 2 points yan para kay Moika. Time out. Montalban Youth Baller. Official score 68-45 in favor of Montalban Youth Baller. Back to the ball game. Jurugo. Pass to Moral. Binigay kay De Guzman. Back to Moral. Pass to Baay. Block by Viñas. Viñas. Binababa ang bola. Still by Juro. Viñas. Pass to Gutierrez. Sa 3. No good. Moika. Off the glass. 2 points yan para kay Moika. Moral. Pass to Baay for 3. Yes sir. 3 points yan para kay Baay. Luna. Floater. No good. Rebound by Diaz. Nice steal ni Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pass to Moika. 2 points yan para kay Viñas. Diaz. Pass to Jurugo. Pull up 2. No good. Gutierrez. Out of bounds. Same ball. Remaining time, 3 minutes exactly for our fourth and last quarter. Luna, pass to Gutierrez. Binigay kay Gamoso, no good. Basket count for Jared Moika. Official score 71-51 in favor of Montalban Youth Baller. Bolo shot for Mojica. No good. Rebound by Jared Mojica. Pass to Viñas. Binalik kay Mojica. Still by Punsalan. Binigay kay Diaz. Pass to De Leon. Traveling violation. Pakin. Pass to Viñas. Pass to Gutierrez for 3. No good. Rebound by Ramos. Ramos. Pass to De Leon. Binigay kay Punsalan. Last 2 minutes exactly para 3 points. Yan para kay Ramos. Pakin. 2 points yan para kay Pakin. Ramos. Nakuha ni Viña. Two points para kay Luna. Remaining time, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Seconds. De Leon. Foul. Foul on number 15, Gamoso. De Leon. No good. Nakuha niya ulit. Pull up. No good. Pass to Luna. Binigay kay Pake na. Still De Leon. Easy 2 points para kay Pahati. Luna. Pass to Pakin. Out of bounds. 24 seconds. Gamoso. Pass to Gutierrez. Goes for Gutierrez. First throw basket. And throw. No good. Rebound by Punsalan. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our fourth quarter. Won by your. Batang